Preparation for cystoscopy. Instruments required. Cystoscopes, as already described. Ureter catheters. The best sizes are 5, 6, and 7 French. The catheter should have at least 2 eyes. The Alboran flute-type catheter, figure 25, catches the urine better than any other, but it is well to have a few olivary tip catheters for entering rebellious ureters. In order to estimate how far the catheter enters the ureter, as well as for the purpose of distinguishing right from the left, it is wise to use an unmarked catheter for one ureter, and for the other an instrument marked off in centimeters. Figure 25, flute-tipped catheter, eyes at A, B, C. Cystoscopic accessories. Always have everything in duplicate: cystoscope, lamps, connecting cords, etc. Source of light. If no electric current is accessible, one must use dry cells or a storage battery. Ordinarily, it is more convenient to depend upon a rheostat attached to an electric light fixture. But when this is in use, one must never forget the danger of grounding by wet floors and pipes. When employing the high-frequency current for intravesical operations, it is safer to derive the cystoscopic current from a storage battery. Source of irrigation. At home, one uses a wall tank full of cold, sterile water, neither heat nor chemicals being required. Elsewhere, a Janet Piston syringe. For anesthesia and lubrication. For more than 5 years, I have combined anesthesia, antisepsis, and lubrication by the injection into the urethra of the lubricant described on page 29, to which is added 5% allopurin or 2% cocaine. The latter is the better anesthetic, and so little of it is absorbed that it is quite free from the very real danger attached to the use of cocaine solutions in the urethra. This lubricant may be introduced through a catheter as it is gradually withdrawn by means of a small glass syringe. Other cystoscopists employ 10% Novocaine solution, 5% allopurin solution, or allopurin tablets introduced by a special instrument. Cocaine solutions should never be used because of the recognized danger of fatal poisoning therefrom. Urethral instruments. One may require a blunt-end bisturi to cut the meatus, bougies or sounds to dilate a stricture, natural curve woven catheters, 10 French to place in the bladder with the ureter catheter, or 16 French to empty the bladder after the cystoscopy. Other accessories: visible ureter catheters for radiography, solutions in syringes for the injection of phenol sulfonaphthalene, Colorgol, morphine, etc., sterile test tubes or bottles appropriately labeled for the collection of specimens of urine, basins, rubber apron, urine glasses, etc. should be provided, according to the requirements of the individual. Sterilizing accessories: green soap, bichloride solution, sterile wipes, sheets, towels, leglets, gown, gloves, and cap.